Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
I am Hermana Dimaya, 31 years old. I am married without child, but we are planning but not this time. I graduated in St. Joseph College in San Jose, Bogao, Cagayan. Bachelor in Science and Secondary Education, major in English. My father's name is Rosalina Leones. His occupation is farming. My mother's name is Felisa Leones, but unfortunately, she died last 1987. Yes, sir.
Okay, so why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family so that I can support them.
Alright, so as a domestic helper, can you describe the job that you will do?
As a domestic helper, you must be patient in working the household chores like cleaning the house inside and outside, cook food for the family members, washing and ironing the clothes, taking care of the children if they have, gardening, washing the car, and take care also of the pets like dogs and cats.
Okay, do you know how to cook the Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
How about the marketing? You know how to do the marketing?
Yes, sir.
So how do you know the fish is fresh?
The color of the eyes and it smells good.
Okay, so if your employer gives you the money for marketing, so how you would handle the money?
First, sir, I will do the listing, then see to it that the money is in good hands, and before go to market, yes, you do the listing and ask for a receipt so that it shows your honesty to the employer, and whatever the money left, give it to the employer, sir.
Alright, so do you have any working experience as a helper?
Yes, sir, here in the Philippines.
Okay, how long you have worked for the employer?
2 years, sir, end of contract.
And how many children they have?
One only, sir.
Only one? How
Yes,
old
sir.
was the child?
1 year and 3 months old, sir.
Okay, what are the most important things to take care of the child?
The most important things to take care of a child, first you see to it her, you see to his safety net, then changing her diapers if it's wet, or
Okay.
then feed the child on time,
Good, yeah.
and let the child play with you as a in the relaxation time. Then of course